Hi, in this video I will show you how easy to repair an LED light bulb. First we need to remove the diffuser and then look very closely at the LEDs, each one very carefully. We have to find the LEDs with black dots. We look at all the LEDs and mark each LED with a black dot with a marker. If we cannot find black dot LEDs, then you need to take some metal object with insulated handles and short each LED in turn until the light comes on. When the light lights up, this means that we have found our faulty LED. Be careful with any metal parts during this procedure, since they are under voltage. Do not touch anything metal. Next, we need to remove all the black dot LEDs. Next, we place a drop of tin in the center of where we had the removed LED. If you can't solder, you can, instead of soldering, put some kind of conductive sealant on this place. For example, window sealant will be good. Just a small drop of sealant in the center where we had the LED.